Hi friends, so this video shows how to find all supported formats of FFmpeg command line tool. So first we need to install FFmpeg. So if you are using Ubuntu system, you can install it by running this command. Just add the universe repo, then run apt update, then install it using this command. So the apt install FFmpeg. So I already installed FFmpeg 3.4. Okay, so let me show how we can find the supported format. You can just run embug hyphen formats. So basically this will list all the supported formats, both audio and video formats. So if you want to find for a specific format, if you want to search it, just run ffmpeg hyphen format, then grep for example MB4. You will see the MB4 supported. You can see it here, or you can try MB3 and see MB3 also supported, or for example FLV. So this way we can check it. Okay, so if you want to find information about one's particular video or audio file, you can run this command ffmpeg -i, then the name of the video or audio file. So for example, sample video 5.mb4. So you will find the audio information and video information of this particular file. For example, here you can see the audio information about this video H264. Then the resolution is here, you can see, then the frame rate, so those things. Then the audio related information, you can see here audio WAC, H, hertz and bit rate, those informations, and the created time you can find here. So this type of information you can find. You can also use FFmpeg command line tool to split with the video and then merge it, or you can also convert video and audio format to some other format. So all those things you can do it. Okay, so please subscribe my channel. So please try to install it and try some examples. If you are facing some issue, please comment, I will help you. Okay.